Do you have excess play in your wheel bearings? Today we're going to show you how to take care of that. I'm Kristen, this is Maintenance Matters. When checking your wheel bearings, you're going to grab your tire top and bottom shape. You're going to be looking for any play in the hub around your axle. Looks like this is worn, so let's get it swapped out for some new parts. Start by removing the wheel. Next, remove the caliper. Now we're going to remove the cotter pin from the tie rod end and then remove the tie rod end. Remove the cotter pin from the castle nut and then remove the castle nut. Now remove the hub. Now remove the ball joint bolt from the lower A-arm. Use a pry bar to disconnect the lower A-arm from the spindle. Now remove the ball joint bolt from the upper A-arm. Using a pair of snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring. A screwdriver may be needed to ease removal. Place the spindle on the press, making sure to have the correct adapters to allow the bearing to press out. Make sure to press the bearing from the inside out, outside being the side that the snap ring was removed from. Make sure the bearing is pressing out straight, otherwise you could damage your spindle. Remove the spindle from the press. When installing the new bearing, place it in the spindle first to make sure it's straight. Be sure to have the correct adapter on the press. If you don't, this could damage the bearing. Press the bearing in from outside inward until it fully seats again. Reinstall the snap ring, making sure it fully seats by pushing on the snap ring with a screwdriver. Be sure not to damage the bearing when doing so. And that's how easy it is to change out your wheel bearings. Now you can reinstall all components and you're ready to ride.